Slang Nouns, Nigerian Pidgin English, Part 2. Agro, feeling honey. Man, Agro, they catch that guy. JJC, Johnny just come. That's the abbreviation. It's a pejorative way to call a stranger or someone who just arrived in a new place. Ajebo, Ajebota, a person born with silver spoon. Ajekpako, it's the opposite of Ajebota, is someone brought up in a very tough lifestyle. Jakpajantis, nonsense. Wetin e dey talk na jakpajantis. Alarm, hunger. Alarm dey tear me. Arrange, something that is arranged, organized, sometimes without one's consent. All man, everybody. Alert, a text message one receives when money is deposited into one's account. Aloban, personal person, partner in crime, a close friend. Amebo, aproko, tafia, ofofo, tatafo. That's a gossip, someone who gossips. Olosho, ashewo, ashawo, runs babe. Ashi, ayangba, ashana, opio, rotting pilele, kezaya, splaro, scrobo, a prostitute. Area boys, thugs, hooligans, touts. Ride, a luxurious, a very flashy car. Aristo, sugar daddies who date younger women. Awoof, free stuff. Bazooka, banana, cassava, pencil, prick, dick, walking stick, anaconda, ngbere, piyom, boro. That's the male penis. Bola, a big dick or a big penis. Ayama, something disgusting, yuck. Backyard, ikebe, bonbon, kon, bakasi, baka, nyash. A person's backside, an ass, especially used for women. Ole, that's a thief. Olo me, my sweetheart, my wife. Omo gay, omo ele, a beautiful woman. Omo, buddy, dude. Omo, how you dey? Opata, nonsense. Shenkes, chick, boo, babe, Bani, a girlfriend. Guy, bobo, boo, a boyfriend. Sagba, yashman, homosexual male. It's kind of pejorative. Bad belle, player hater, bad belly they worry you. Bado, Badoski, someone who is highly respected. Peter na Badoski for in area. Peter is a respected person in his neighborhood. Bado, someone who is extremely bad, especially socially. You can refer to him as the life of a party. Baths, wears, clothes. I like your baths. Kians, a school or home. How kians? How is school? Baggish, rubbish, crap. I beg, I don't get time for baggish. Fugazi, someone or something fake, imitation of a thing, unreal. Your necklace na gold or na fugazi. Ba, pepe, phones, wad, bread, cheese, chubis, peko, money. Bam, something good, something great. Frosh, a person who has swag, money and style. Padi, pali, my guy. Sinfo, a very close friend. Basket mouth, talkative. Runs, deal, business, or prostitution, depending on the context. Let's look at, for example, I get one runs for you. I have a deal for you. That girl, they do runs. Is that girl into prostitution? Pali, guy, bro, chairman, boss, omo, dude. Father, pale, popsy, papa, old man, old boy. My father. Male, momsi, mama, old woman. My mother. Beg, someone who begs. Pancake nyash, a person with a flat ass, flat buttocks, especially a woman. Blau, igbo, skunk, marijuana, weed. Confirm, confirmed, assurance, a sure deal. The bank deposit na confirm. Scrap, something that is dirty and sometimes not up to standard, most especially used for females. I know they deal with scrap. Slacker, a very sluggish and dull person. See this slacker, better go step up your game. Koboko, horsewhip, konji, honey. This guy go die for konji. Suya, the spicy meat skewer, which is made with skewered beef, ram, or chicken. Okada, motorbike. Dongo, a tall person. Domot, dormout area. Doti, dirt, trash. Bekere, plantain chips. Akara, popular bean cake. Akamu, cornstarch pop. Kai Kai, local gin, spirit. Manya, any alcohol drink. Pepper soup, it's a delightfully, intensely flavored soup served in most part of Nigeria and West Africa. Dundee United, a fool. Oga, husband, or a boss. Madame, wife or female boss. Pikin, a child or children. Bedu, jams, songs or music. Buka, a local place where food is sold. A gig, a party. Handset, your cell phone. Tokumbo, goods from overseas, especially cars and electronics. Chassis, cha-cha, tier rubber, anything that is brand new.